How to manage subtitles settings on VLC media player. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage subtitles settings on VLC easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go here on tools and go down to preferences, click on subtitles right here, and here you will find the subtitle settings. You can enable subtitles or disable from here. You can change the subtitle language, and you can also change the default encoding. And now here you can change the subtitles effects, for example the font, the size, the outline thickness, the shadow, and yeah, after you finish, click save. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much.